In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate objects in Civil 3D. Rotating objects is a core skill for aligning blocks, labels, and geometry so your design reads clearly and accurately. I'll walk you through the process, explain what each prompt means, and share helpful tips to keep your rotations precise. Start by selecting the objects you want to rotate. You can click a single object or drag a selection window to grab multiple items at once. If you select too much, simply deselect and try again, so you're only rotating what you intend. Taking a moment here helps avoid moving elements you didn't mean to change. Next, go to the Modify tab, find the Modify panel, and click Rotate. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can type Rotate in the command line and press Enter. Either method launches the same command. You'll see prompts at the command line guiding you through the steps, so keep an eye on that area as you work. Civil 3D will now ask for a base point. This point acts like a hinge for the rotation. Everything rotates around it, so choose it carefully. A corner, a midpoint, or the center of a circle are common choices. For accuracy, use object snaps such as midpoint, center, or intersection so the base point lands exactly where you need it. If you're rotating several objects together, picking a stable, logical base point helps keep the group aligned. After the base point, you can either enter a rotation angle or drag to set it visually. If you know the exact angle, type it in degrees and press Enter. Positive angles rotate counterclockwise, negative values rotate clockwise. For example, typing 90 rotates left, while typing 90 rotates right. If you're rotating by eye, move your cursor around the base point and watch the live preview. Polar tracking and dynamic input can help you snap to common angles like 45 or 90 degrees, making it easier to keep your design consistent. When you've set the angle, press Enter to complete the rotation. Take a quick look to confirm everything is aligned as expected. If it's not quite right, you can immediately run the Rotate command again and adjust the angle or choose a different base point. That's all there is to it. Select your objects, start the Rotate command, pick a precise base point, set the angle or drag to rotate, and press Enter to finish. With these steps and a bit of practice, you'll be rotating objects in Civil 3D quickly and confidently.